Well, budgettravelerchris.com welcomes you to the kitchen of the Airbnb in Mazatlán. Well, it's been on the grill here for about 10 minutes or so now, and it's very slow to cook, but that's how it blew. Oh, it's slowly cooking a little bit there. Definitely not sizzling off the storm like I'd expect. 10 minutes is fine. We're at the end of the steak like that. It's not very much heat. Well, after leaving those potatoes in the charcoal for an hour and a half, they are a complete failure. They're burnt solid. There's nothing left. Hard as a rock. They've been overcooked to the nth degree. I've never cooked a potato that bad in my life. I've been cooking since I've been 10. I don't cook too many potatoes. Now let's check out the steak. We've moved this, now that we've got the potatoes out of the briquettes. This seems to be cooking a little better. Oh, there we go. Now we're getting a little bit of action going on here. So maybe we'll have semi-success with the steak. Because that was a complete failure. These baked potatoes, I've never ruined potatoes this bad in my life. Oh well, there's a first for everything. Stay tuned for Budget Traveler. You never know what you're going to see or run into here.